Last Airbender sucks ass. Sorry for that language, but it does. First of all, M. Night Shyamalan's director. Who put him in charge of the Avatar: The Last Airbender movie? Who put that guy in charge? Who in their right mind thought it'd be a good idea to get M. Night Shyamalan to direct Last Airbender? Who? What idiot signed him on? Because if I find out who did it, I want them dead. No joke. Oh, fuck you and your stupid application, Google Software Update Agent. For more information, contact the person who set up your account. I don't care. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, the fight scenes are awful. The characters are bland as crap. I mean, it's just horrible. And the writing is horrible. Everything about the movie is horrible. There's no emotion coming out of the characters. You don't feel the emotion enough. There's just not enough justifiable stuff in the movie for me to want to watch it. It is just god-awful. Don't bother watching that movie. And if you do, I feel sorry for you. Because you're basically watching the crappiest movie on the market. Besides a couple other movies I can mention, but I'm not going to go there. Twilight, etc. Twilight. Anyways, but, yeah. A couple other main issues with the movie. The Fire Lord looks nothing like the animated version. It looks cheap and cop-out, and it just doesn't make much sense. But it's, you know, M. Night Shyamalan, worst director ever. Hashtag worst director ever. That's what I say to that. No, he's not the worst director. There's worse directors. Who, Batman Robin. Whoa, there must be something in my throat. But, yeah. But there's much more worse movies out there. But again, Batman Robin. But yeah. That's it. Peace out. That was a good rant. It came out good. What am I doing? I don't even know. Stop the video. Peace out.